Where I was before the Man Breakthrough Experience Weekend was that I felt completely responsible for everything that showed up in my life. And so even though I felt responsible for what was happening in my life, things weren't shifting. And so I was looking for a transformation. Because if you want to experience a change in your life, you have to experience a change within yourself. This really isn't just about being with your soulmate or being with a man. This is about being more fully who you authentically are born to be. And when you're that, that's when you're happy. I felt that part of the reason it was so powerful is what I was willing to bring to it. And Coot will help you find within yourself what you're really looking for, and that's yourself. To get to really take this workshop with all women was so incredible, but to be led by Coot made it so much better than it could have ever been. If you want to learn something, then go to the expert. Now is all we really have, and someday is out there in the future, and we're all waiting for someday to happen. I can live that dream now instead of someday later.